was help the party all the time. We're going to be doing a Skywars tournament, so what's up? Yeah, so watch the stream. When you watch the stream, you can start typing this in the chat. Oh, now I call him first. Well, no, I just got. Oh, let's see. I'm on the stream. Hey, welcome back, Death by Rayos. Hey, Flaming. Let me check top chat, guys, because I'm not really keeping up. Sorry, I had to kill. I invited friends. All right, Mayhem. Funny. Let's go duels. First, I think I've talked to that person before. First pug. I think I have. Yeah. Streams are lit. Thank you very much for telling me that, dude. Thank you very, very much. Oh, you're inviting helpers now. Damn. Hey, Peth. What is going on? Welcome to the stream. Hey, T-H-R-A-R. Wait. T-R-E. EHUOUSCZ. Yep, nailed it. Fucking nailed it. We're gonna do a tournament first, and then later we'll be able to do Bed Wars, but we can't do Bed Wars with this many people, so that's the only issue we're currently having. There we go. My coffee is in. Let's unleash the PvP powers. Guys, let me tell you a story that happened last night, dude. I was alone. Some people can vouch for me. I was alone with no bed versus 4 other people with a bed in Bed Wars. I survived it live on stream. I made the game. I killed the game. It was amazing, dude. It was so great. I really loved it. I really loved last night's stream. Let me just pew. Okay, let's go down. Let's use that. Okay. Let's not get too many attention drawn to us. Let's see. Where's this guy at? Okay, Juju, wanna go fight, mate? Oh, it looks like he's not here as well. Let's just go and strength, and let's do this. There we go. GG. Okay. Just won that fight. Let me just wait for all the others. So it was really fun last night, dude. We talked about like a lot of stuff. We talked about how the donations will be helping out the stream. We talked about what my intentions are to be what my intentions are as being a YouTuber. So I don't know if you can call me a YouTuber yet, because I only have like 2,000 subscribers. I don't have too many people watching. Hey Rowan, what's going on? Hey dude. So the thing is, right, what I'm trying to do I know right. Oh, that's great. Thank you very much for joining the stream. I joined the party. Does that mean I get a rank upgrade? Process God, you get a you get a chance on getting in the rank upgrade, if that makes sense. People are leaving the party because they're dead. No. 40 ping is nice. Like that is some naughty shit. You can just go in there and just wreck people with 40 ping, dude. That's what I always do. If only I had 40 ping, right? Oh, I just threw out that helmet. Come on, give me it. Jesus. Okay, let's okay, there's nothing useful in here. Okay, let's actually just go over here. Oh, looks like he's over here. Let me just gap real quick and going for him. Hope he doesn't throw me off. Okay, right. Okay. Oof, GG. All right, there we go. Let's see how. How? Let me check. How many people are left? There's 7 people left. Okay. I 10-hearted a dude. That's great. That's nice. French Dino. Let's go invite French Dino. Oh, oops. That was supposed to be an underscore. He almost has the same skin as me. That's fun. Do you get a rank upgrade if I join the party? Can someone explain it to him, please? Can someone please explain it to him? I actually want to win this one, because yesterday there was this guy in here. Wait, what was his name again? Guys, back me up. It was... I don't know what his name was again. There was this guy in here, and he was like really good at the game. He kept just killing people like all over. Quarterfinals. Happy much. I'm definitely dying against this guy. This guy paid a lot of money for his Minecraft account. He's not going to be giving away his fame to someone noobish as me. I know he's not. So yeah, rest in peace, guys. It was a fun stream. Let's actually just try to go kill him then. Hey, French Dino, welcome back to the party. Let me just put that in there, but okay. Oof. Looks like I'm gonna kill him. Oh god. Okay, wait. Let me just try to get up. Where am I? Where's the hole? Oh my god. Oh, he fell. GG. Okay. Okay. That worked. Apparently that worked. Okay, that was great. To everyone watching, if you want to, wait, guys, do not ask for the rank. Fallen does not appreciate you guys only being here just for the rank. You must be active and help out. Thank you for saying that. Can I get his rank? Oh, death by arrows. Here we meet again. Here we meet again. Good luck, dude. Good fucking luck. Let's kill you. Oh, Caden Gaming is back. Hey dude, welcome back to the stream. He was in here yesterday, if you guys were wondering. Let me check. I don't have any speed, so I think I'm just gonna gap for the better. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there. Oh, no! GG! No! GG. They should really fix that. You cannot say that message twice. I want to say GG. Jesus. How we help the stream. You go into the lobbies and you invite people to the party. That's all you gotta do. What pack are you using? I am using the resource pack. What is this called? Spectre. This is called Spectre. Spectre pack. It's really fun. Yeah, no, I will not duel people right now. I'm sorry. If you want to join the giveaway, guys, look in the description and follow the steps. Oh yeah,